All right, we've gotten to Sand Hollow, and it is mass chaos. There's so many people here, and the parking and the roads are all congested, and there's just everyone's trying to get to the main event. So where we are right now is here on the map, and the main event is happening right there. And we went over here to the boat ramp. They said it was full, and they said to come over here to the water towers. And there's it's getting congested, and people are coming down into here, and there's supposed to be a shuttle service, and we haven't seen any sign of an actual shuttle yet. And it's only a mile, so we're probably just gonna actually stay parked here, and we're just gonna walk underneath the freeway here and then over to the event. We are now walking over to the event. The main event is right over that way, and so we're just gonna walk under the freeway first and then down the road.
Gotta find the rest of our spray paint.
Alright guys, so we're about to get started on the painting competition here. All these Isuzus that you see staged right between the wreckers here are going to get painted here and then also judged. We have perfect conditions for a quality paint job. We're in the sand, outside, slightly windy, could not be any better.
Alright, now we need the rest of the people to paint. So we need 5 people.
It's almost like blasphemy, isn't it?
Hey Robbie! Hold on, who's the 5?
Alright, I think people are starting to gather. Paint! Alright, I see quite some progress already. Colors are changing, vehicles are changing colors already. Don't paint Lizzie's shoes. See, Lizzie's shoes are changing color as we speak.
White on the bottom.
Getting on the roof and painting from the top down is probably a pretty solid idea.
I definitely agree with you. The strategy over at MORR right now is above everyone else. Who else can keep up? And watch, just like if you're watching some YouTube videos.
They have finished painting their vehicles, and here's a quick little tour of all of the vehicles that just got painted, and the wreckers that go with them.
His first competition of the day. Merlin is doing the flex off, which is right behind the welder, and then Eric is doing the rollover competition, and Rory will be the first on the dyno. You guys don't want to miss that one for sure.
There they go, heading out to begin the games. I'm excited, let's go check it out. There's Trailmater.
He's giving me military vibes, so yes.
Definitely.
Alright, we are in 4-wheel drive this time.
Oh.
And we're digging.
It's digging hard. It's
All
digging,
right.
but it's moving.
He's got to struggle a lot more on this one. That's a lot of weight. Let's see if he can make his rear steer work on this one. Get out of the grooves to not dig himself in too far.
We've got too much weight for dead pull. This wrecker's not going to do it, the rest of them won't. We got You are definitely all of our people. We love you guys.
You don't even remember all the words.
too wide. They forfeit because their rig is too wide for that roller.
We broke something. They're not doing this.
Fernando did not sound happy.
We got our first massacre. What happened? Give us the breakdown of what you witnessed.
Well, it went forward, and then it stopped going forward.
Interesting.
It goes backwards. Just don't tell Matt.
Rory's. Good to know.
Soft shackle in between the two Yankum ropes is what broke, and so it flew in both directions and it broke the headlight on blue steel.
Yeah, and the mirror is gone.
This sand is really soft, really ripped up. Here's the damage that occurred. Broke the headlight right there. Took off the side mirror.
Did your dad know yet?
I think so.
There you go. I don't think it's much tougher.
You need to write half done on there, dude.
Wow.
That's even better.
His own son.
Shame.
I know how to spell. They hooked two ropes together with one soft shackle, and that let loose, and one rope went this way and one rope went that way.
Yeah. I was curious why there was so much damage done there.
Because the ropes went like that.
Yeah.
So then when they hooked them back up, we used a long soft shackle and double looped them, which is what I hooked up Merlin's, and I double looped the two ropes together with the long shackle, and it held. Look at that.
Whoa! I saw that the other day. Florida man, is that you?
Yeah, so I
think that's an S10.
They used the shackle as just a single in between, and then started here and full throttled it there.
Right. I knew Paul was gonna go hammer down. 'Cause he has on everything. So
Paul, that's Paul.
Yeah. No, that's a single straight shackle.
I said that's the difference between Paul and Rory is Paul's a derby guy. He can take a hit. Rory doesn't derby regularly.
Paul's a derby guy for sure.
Yeah.
So, yeah, it was a single 3/8 soft shackle with a 9,000 pound working load limit.
And we hit it at like 40 miles an hour.
Yeah.
We've had a fun-filled day, and right now it's really just vendors and people milling about, food trucks, things like that. And we've had enough, so we are headed back. The shuttle was too full. Here's the line to get on the shuttle, and it's pretty long, so we're gonna go ahead and just walk again back to our car, since it's only a mile and this road is super congested, so it's not like these people are going anywhere quickly anyway. That walk was definitely longer on the way out than on the way in this morning. We're finally getting back to the car right there. It's looking good and dusty. Almost looks like it's a different color. It's kind of a reddish sheen to it. I'll see you tomorrow for the second day of the off-road wrecker games.